Welcome to setting up a survey in Blackboard Learn. To get started, go to the control panel and click on Course Tools. Next, click on Tests, Surveys, and Pools. In the Test, Surveys, and Pools screen, click Surveys to start building a survey. We'll go ahead and we'll click Build Survey. And we have to give our survey a name. We'll call this Survey 1. Now we can give a description or instruction to the students. For the purpose of this exercise, we'll go ahead and leave those blank, but you can enter those at any time. We'll click Submit. And now we are at our survey canvas. In the survey canvas, you can then create questions just like you would in an exam or test. What you'll see under Create Question, however, is an opinion scale option. So if you want to create a Likert scale, you would click here. For the purpose of this survey, though, we're going to create a multiple choice question for our survey. Next, we'll add a question. So we'll give it a title. Call it Question 1. And we may want to ask the question of, what is your major? We can scroll down here and add some answer options. By default, you have 4 options. You can always add more. So if you click on the number of answers, you can add up to 20. You can also remove answer options. So if you just want 3 options, just remove one of the answer options. We'll leave it here, and we'll type in some options. So we can say for answer 1, civil engineering. Answer 2, communications. Answer 3 will say English. And for answer 4, we'll say undecided. As you notice, unlike a test, there are no radio buttons because there is no correct answer in a survey. But these will be the only option answers the student will have. You can add categories and keywords, and you can also add instructor notes. Click Submit to add the question to your survey. So here we have Question 1, what is your major? And that is our survey question. Now if we're fine with this, we can just click OK. And our survey is ready for deployment. Now the question is, how do you get the answers from your survey? Well, let's go ahead and take a look at how to get this information. First, we need to actually deploy the survey in a content area. So we'll go to Course Content. And we'll click on Assessments. And here we have Survey. I'll click on Survey. And I'll click the survey I just added. So Add Survey, Survey 1, and I'll submit it. Now what I need to do is actually take a look at this survey and give it some options, such as maybe give a description. Tell me what your major is. I can make the survey available. I can set date and time restrictions for it, much like an exam. I'll go ahead and click Submit. And my survey is now deployed. Now if I want to find the results from my survey, I'll go into the Grade Center, click on Full Grade Center. Once I've entered the Grade Center, I can look for my survey column. Here I have Survey 1. I click the drop down, and I click on Attempts Statistics. This will give me the results from my survey. Now, in the Grade Center, I will see which students did take the survey. It will provide a check mark to note that they took the survey. But it will not show me their individual answers. This has been setting up a survey in Blackboard Learn.